The Afilandar plant. Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most beautiful houseplants, the Aphelandra. This plant, also known as the zebra plant, is popular in interior decor thanks to its stunning leaves with bold white stripes. If you're a houseplant enthusiast or looking for a unique plant for your home or workspace, make sure to watch this video until the end. The Aphelandra plant is a unique and eye-catching plant. Its two-toned leaves have earned it the nickname zebra plant. One of the standout features of this beautiful plant is its easy and hassle-free care, making it a great choice for anyone to grow. If you're interested in learning more about this plant, stay with us until the end of this video. The Aphelandra is a dual-purpose plant. First, throughout the year, its large leaves with silver veins provide a striking visual display in any environment. Then, in the fall, its golden cones appear for about 6 weeks, adding to its long-standing popularity. However, the challenge is that you can't keep Aphelandra in typical room conditions for more than a few months. The fate of most plants is leaf drop, resulting in bare stems. The solution is to regularly feed the plant, ensure the compost, potting mix never dries out, mist the leaves frequently, and keep it warm during winter. After flowering, it's important to prune off the dried flowers. How to care for the Aphelandra plant. Light requirements for Aphelandra. The plant should be kept in a well-lit environment. During the summer, it should be kept away from direct sunlight. Aphelandra naturally grows under trees, so the best environment for it is in the shade. If the plant is exposed to direct sunlight, its leaves will get damaged and may burn. Watering Aphelandra. Water the plant before the soil completely dries out. This plant loves humidity. When watering, make sure to use lukewarm water. If you're unsure when to water, touch the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Temperature requirements for Aphelandra. The minimum temperature in winter should be 12 degrees Celsius, 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Since this plant is native to tropical regions, it cannot tolerate very cold environments. Therefore, make sure to keep it in a place where it is protected from cold drafts. Humidity requirements for Aphelandra. The required humidity level is 70%. Ensure you provide adequate humidity for the plant, as insufficient humidity can hinder its growth. To maintain the necessary humidity, you can mist the plant regularly. Best soil for Aphelandra. Ideal mix: peat plus decomposed leaf mold plus sand. The best choice for this plant is slightly acidic soil, which helps the plant grow better and stay healthy. Repotting. The best season for repotting Aphelandra is spring. Every year during this season, you can repot the plant. When choosing a new pot, avoid selecting a pot that is too large. Pick one that is only one size larger than the current pot. Fertilizing for better growth. To ensure good growth, it's best to use fertilizer. Spring and summer are ideal times for fertilizing, so make sure to properly nourish the plant during these seasons. Methods for propagating Aphelandra. Spring is also the best time for propagating Aphelandra. The easiest method is through stem cuttings. Stay with us until the end of this guide to learn how to propagate this beautiful plant. First, select a stem cutting that is 5 to 8 centimeters in length. 2. It's best to make the cut just below a node, the point where a leaf meets the stem. 3. After cutting the stem, dip the end into rooting hormone. 4. Allow the cutting to dry slightly. 5. You can propagate it by placing the cutting in water or soil for rooting. 6. Once the cutting starts to develop roots, plant it in a pot and follow the care instructions to help it thrive. Diseases and problems of the Afilandar plant. Here are some of the most common issues faced by this lovely plant. Leggy growth, this occurs due to excessive heat in the environment. Brown spots on leaves, this is caused by too much light or direct sunlight. Failure to flower, this can be due to the pot being too large or a lack of nutrients reaching the plant. Leaf drop, this is often caused by underwatering and high temperatures. If you notice aphids or mealybugs on your plant, it's best to take action promptly. Use insecticides or pesticides to treat the plant and eliminate the infestation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. If you have any questions or experiences with the Afilandra, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!